Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Kaspa community. Let's get right in today's update on Kaspa, understand what's happening as we are starting off a brand new week. And of course, it's not just an ordinary week, it is the last week of the month of October. So let's take a look at see what's happening with Kaspa right now, and of course, what we could be expecting as we are going further into this week. So if you're looking at Kaspa right now, we're seeing a little bit of a lag on Kaspa side because if you see across the board, we're not seeing Kaspa in the green as we could see across the board. But again, we need to be paying attention to Kaspa was already moving, prior to this move. So we're seeing a little bit of a, lag right now, but we're going to take a closer look and see, where that lag really is coming. So you can see, we're down about 0.5% over the last 24 hours on the USD side of things, down 3.1% on the Bitcoin side of things, with the price still ranging around 5.758 cents, pretty much 5.8 cents. A valuation 1.55 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about $53 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So take a look at it for yourself. We saw the dominance, plunge quite sharply down to 59.5%. You can see for yourself, again, a level we've been discussing on the channel consecutively where I wanted to see the dominance pull down. We exactly came down to that range, but things have picked up because Bitcoin did see a little bit of a minor pullback. But again, speaking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin is on an absolute tear right now. We came very close to our confirmation zone at 117,000. You could see for yourself, but this retracement that we're seeing a little bit is causing the dominance to pick up. But what's very interesting is as the price of Bitcoin did break out towards the upside, you saw the dominance was actually pulling down. But again, I know it's picking up right now, and that is due to this retracement right now, which again is affecting some of the altcoins as we are seeing the last 1 hour. And again, Kaspa, you can see for yourself as well. But why is Kaspa not breaking out, with this big move for Bitcoin? But like I said, we were seeing Kaspa already moving towards the upside. But what I want you guys to focus on is this. Look at it for yourself. We are ranging around this level right now. So it's not that the price has been, breaking down to the 5.5 cents. Again, a crucial level that, we wanted to break above. But since that breakout, we did not come close to the 5.5, but we've been starting to consolidate within this range. You can see for yourself. So, sideways momentum, but you want to see where we are currently having a hard time breaking out of just below the 6 cents price point. And I've already highlighted this to you guys on the channel that, 6 cents price point is an important level for the price of Kaspa. Once you do see the price breaking above here, I think we go back up to 6.7 cents quite fast. So again, it is expected. Again, a coin that was already showing strength prior to this move. Maybe you do see, profit taking occurring right now. Again, you want to put this into perspective because from October 22nd, this thing is up 24%, which again is very impressive to say the least. So again, in terms of the performance along with the broader market, yes, we're seeing a little bit of a lag, but it is balancing itself, because if you look at it on a weekly time frame right now, there's a lot of coins that are still in red, but Kaspa is still one of the ones that's up right now. So these are factors that we don't really want to be ignoring. Again, target breaking above the 6 cents. We do push up to the 6.6 cents range, and then after that, go back to where we were prior to this major pullback. So it's not looking as bad as you guys might think right now. Again, a huge week. Do expect some volatility, maybe leading into the day of the FOMC meeting or the day before. I might see some choppy levels, but really want to see Bitcoin closely right now. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Love you all. See you later on Crypto ZX and peace.